Can you get ITV X on a Panasonic smart television? The answer to that is yes, providing your Panasonic TV has Freeview Play. So Freeview Play looks something like this on your remote control, and any Panasonic TV made within the last couple of years should have Freeview Play. So if I press the icon on my remote, a drop-down menu should appear and you select the catch-up option. Once that loads, it gives you a list of all the apps which provide catch-up services. So select ITV X. Once it loads, it will ask you to log in with your username and your password. If you already have an account for ITV Hub, this will work as well. So log in as normal. So once you're logged in, you now have access to all the programs on ITV X. That's it. Thanks for watching.